Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you my new project, that is the touchless doorbell. First a demo. This is the circuit diagram for the project. This is based on the principle of IR radiation. The IR LED acts as the transmitter and the photodiode as the receiver. So the radiation transmitted by the IR LED is reflected from an object and is received by the photodiode. When the photodiode receives the radiation, it changes its resistance, which results in the change of voltage at this point. The voltage at this point does not exceed 1.5 volts, which is very low even to light an LED. So we use the 358 IC, which is the dual comparator IC, to compare it with a threshold value. So when the value is greater than the threshold value, the buzzer and the LED light up. But if it is less, then the circuit is incomplete. The LED and buzzer are connected to the first pin of the IC, which is the output pin. Since we have provided the IC with 9 volts, the output is also of 9 volts. So we use a 450 ohms resistor with the LED, and since the buzzer is itself takes 9 volt, so we don't need to connect it with any resistor. The whole circuit is powered with a 9 volt battery. So to provide 5 volt input, I have used the 7805 IC provided with 9 volts, gives a 5 volt output.